Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you, and let me have the privilege to welcome you all again in the program Bundelkhand University Samvad. So today we have the gracious presence of the Honorable Vice Chancellor PK University, Professor Ranjit Singh ji, and we have the Registrar from the university, IT head of the university, and one of the MOU coordinators from the PK University. So today we will ask few questions which are very much relevant with the field of academics. So, sir, my very first question to you, sir, you have spent entire life in technical education, but now you are in an institute where means multiple type of courses are there. So, how do you feel the difference between the being in a technical institution and now where means variety of courses are running?
See, first of all, let me thank the Bundelkhand University for providing this opportunity to be present here and the Vice Chancellor of the Bundelkhand University. Regarding your question, our university, that is PK University, is a multi-faculty university, and the engineering college is an institute which is having limited faculty in the engineering area or applied science or some humanities. Now here we get a lot of input about the knowledge in various areas, and that gives a holistic view about the other things, because engineering is basically application of the technology for the benefit of the society.
Sir.
So we need a lot of input from the society, from the behavior, human and technology interface, and how they would react to it, and total overall maintenance problem. So from that point, and how the successful the solution or the useful the solution is for the society. To understand that, multi-faculty university is a good place.
Okay. Sir, nowadays the things are going to be interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary. Means if we will say, we are seeing that even the engineers are approaching or encroaching in the field of doctors. They are producing some very sophisticated devices and other things. So how do you rate this? Whether these interdisciplinary things are good or they should not be there?
No, actually, see, society changing with the development, and as the society change, there are different requirement of different technology, not one technology from the various areas. So we, if you have, suppose make an artificial limb, so not only we need engineering, but we need knowledge of medical also, need knowledge of the probably humanities also, knowledge of the mathematics also. So in a way, the present society that is coming up will require multiple technological input or multiple knowledge input from various fields. So interdisciplinary research or interdisciplinary technological input will be required for the society. It's a good thing, it's going to come. And that's why in the new education policy, even in IIT, emphasis is now on multiple faculty.
Okay. Sir, as far as I know that you belongs to mechanical field, but from last 2 or 3 years we are seeing this trend that students are now not that much inclined towards the mechanical branch. We are facing some problems related to the mechanical issue. So what is the reason behind it, sir?
Actually, in our industrial scenario has changed. The way our industry used to work has changed. Now there is a lot of automation in our industry. There are CNC machines, robotics, and other automatic systems in the industry, which require not only knowledge of core mechanical but knowledge of electronics also, knowledge of software also, and other areas. So nowadays, the pure engineering areas, students are finding difficulty in getting job, but those who are good in core area as well as software, they are having a lot of opportunities. Like a mechanical engineer knows AutoCAD or a drafting software or a computer aided design software or finite element software, has a good market for job.
Okay.
So the things have changed, and our institutions, or rather we should say engineering faculty, fraternity and faculty, have not changed with the pace with the industry.
Okay. So, sir, as we listen from the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Bundelkhand University, Professor Mukesh Pandey, that you are the stalwart in the field of engineering. So, can you suggest us some solution for this situation? That how we can means take the interest of students in mechanical, whether we should change the name or we should inculcate some other type of courses with it. Like earlier we have seen BTech Computer Science, but now wherever I am looking, it is BTech Computer Science with Data Science, BTech Computer Science with AI, BTech Computer Science with Machine Learning. So, is there any solution for this problem, sir?
No, actually, basically the computer needs to be integrated with all the engineering. That
Yes,
is
sir.
first thing,
Sir.
because computer makes the things much more what you can say productive,
Yeah.
which otherwise. So even in mechanical also you have automatic systems like robotics. So most of the automobile factories, if you see present day, they will have assembly line all robotics, and a person has to control it.
Okay.
Then mechatronics.
Yes, sir.
Most of the machines are having mechanical part or electronics part or other instrumentation. A very complicated thing. A simple graduate mechanical engineer can't maintain it.
Yes, sir.
He need to know some knowledge of electronics also, or otherwise for electronics part we need another engineer to repair
Okay.
it. So if we have to, I think, change the curriculum. We have to change the things as per the requirement of the industry.
Okay. Sir, we are also seeing that nowadays there are too many affiliation and accreditation authorities. For example, NAC, NBA, NABL, NIRF. But I think when you were very young, these type of bodies were not there. So, what do you think? Whether there is some importance of such type of bodies, or these universities should be means leave free to decide their infrastructure and other things?
See, in our time, even AICT was not there.
Okay, sir.
It has come later on.
Yeah.
Regulation, because there were limited engineering colleges, and all the regulation was provided by the government. And admission itself was so tough that only quality staffs, or only the people who are having some ranks in they only used to get the admission.
Okay, sir.
And as far as college is concerned, the profession itself was so prestigious at that time that engineering college means all the facilities are there. It's a good quality, equipment wise, facility wise. A minimum requirement for setting up an engineering college was 400 acre of land
Okay.
for a regional engineering college, or for that matter IIT, or for that matter any engineering, government engineering college. So there were good quality standard,
Yes, sir.
and there were limited seats, and there were limited college, and for that government has no dearth of resources.
Okay.
Now what has happened, that this session has opened to the private field, and private people have come. New norms have come. Now in 10 acre of land you can open an engineering college. Even in metro, I think in 3-4 acre you can open
Yeah,
an
yes,
engineering college. And so many engineering colleges have come up. The question is how to maintain the quality.
Okay.
And approval you can get,
Okay.
but quality for that accreditation or other things have come up. So it's a again a developmental process of the engineering field, or the other, which requires some regulation, or you can say that regulation of the quality, then accreditation.
Okay. So, sir, now PK University is now moving ahead in your leadership. So, means what is your future plans? Means are you people are going for NAC accreditation very soon?
See, private university, this last 2 years of COVID has been very, as you can say,
Crucial, sir.
tough, crucial, a very tough time.
Yes, sir.
They have not come up fields. Now they are picking up. So as soon as we have infrastructure, we will be going for infrastructure and other facilities. We will going for NAC.
Okay.
Certainly a quality standard should be there.
Okay. So I think, sir, this is your first visit to Bundelkhand University. Means, how is your experience, sir?
No, I'm very much, what you can say, I'm very happy to meet the people and see the lot of development which otherwise, of course, I was not thinking. You have media center, you have instrumentation center, a high grade level where a lot of research can be done.
Yes, sir.
And Bundelkhand University is picking up its own name. And I feel that there is a lot of scope for collaboration
Yes, sir.
of the two universities,
Yes, sir.
PK University and the Bundelkhand University. And we'll see that in future, area by areas, how we can have collaboration material like this on the ground.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. So, here we have listened to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of PK University, Professor Ranjit Singh ji, and his experience was good here at Bundelkhand University. We have the presence of Registrar PK University also, so let's have a word with him. Sir, nowadays the data become the most important thing in any university. So, what plans you have in your mind to store the data and means to preserve the data and to project the data? Any ideas regarding that, sir?
Yes, data is most important for any work, any university, any education society. So we should maintain. So first we should try for the point out all the things differently classified. It should be that how we can determine the data, how we can analyze the data, and how we can use that data. So it should be that in current time we can use most of the software for different field. As we can take example for library. So we should have software for library also. We should have for research work. So software should be there, research also, and these all the data should be comparable. How can we compare and how can we extract the information from that, and how can we use the information for future also. So it is useful data. If this data is not maintained at a particular time, in a particular time, so it is not useful and it is raw material only.
So, sir, have you make some strategy regarding that?
Yes, we are purchasing some software also, and we are modifying that packages also. So, and we are entering all the data, all the entries, all the physical quantities, physical data also in that software. So we can analysis, and if we are not analyzing that, so we can't use that data.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So my next question is to the IT head of the PK University. We have the presence of Pankaj Singh ji also. Pankaj ji, I have seen the website of PK University. It is right now it's not fully dynamic, or we cannot change it anytime, or some multi-functioning is not there. So means what you have planned to do that? Because nowadays website is very much crucial for NAC accreditation, everything. It is basically our universal identity.
Yeah, thank you, Vyasji. First of all, I would like to thank special invitation from our BU Vice Chancellor, sir. And now coming up to your question that regarding the website, so we are working and our team is working on it. We are working for the automations and we are connecting for the links, and sooner you will get that updated one sooner. And we are working on some software also backends, and we are improving the platform, backend platforms on that, so that speed up things, and updating is on the daily basis. 24-hour cross support should be there from there.
Okay, Pankaj sir, as far as I know that the role of IT head is very important in NAC accreditation, because out of 1,700 points goes for DVV, that is data verification and validation, which is going to be some outsourced agency like TCS or other thing. So in that way the website means the projection of data is very important to the website. So have you any plans for that?
Yeah, we are working on some centralized CMS software also, and digital lockers also, and maintaining the database. Actually what happens that Data is the most important thing. In any university, you have to be on automated system. Yes, today is the world that we have. If we are not automated, then it is a lot of trouble with dealing with the raw data. And it's not the college, it's at the university level we have to develop, and we are developing. And a special thanks to our university management that they are looking for new technologies and they are always encouraging that. So for me, it's a great responsibility and hope that I will just fulfill that.
Okay, thank you, Pankaj sir. As he told that they are also going to update their website, means maintaining their data properly, segregation of data and other things. Bundelkhand University is a 47 years old university. We obviously have some more experience in field of these things. Today, the MOU between Bundelkhand University and PK University have been signed, and we always feel happy to assist you, to help you in any type of preparations and if any need is required. Once again, I am thankful to the Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, Registrar sir and other delegates from the PK University. Thank you so much.
Thank you.